In this video, I'm showing you how to manage your Discord server notification. Ensure you subscribe and turn the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for you to be able to manage your Discord server notification, you're going to click right here, right? Once I've clicked on it, you're going to see this notification settings. Once I've opened it, you're going to see server notification settings. I can get the notification to all the messages. I can put it to this, or to this, right? Then these are some other notification settings that you can either turn on or turn off. So this is basically how you can manage your own Discord server notification settings. If you find this video helpful, share thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.